Hello, welcome to our channel. I'm Chooks from The Manager, and I'm about to show you how to format links that lead to your web pages and posts so that they look good for branding and search engine optimization. Time to add a new item to your online business bag of tricks. So what's a permanent link? A permalink is the address of a web page or post on the internet. It is a string of text and or numbers found in the address bar of the browser after a page loads. Like in this instance, every page on your website has a permalink which looks like this, and this link can be edited. The permalink contains your website's domain name and the slug, as you can see here. The slug is the latter part of the link that comes after the domain name. Formatting a permalink deals mainly with editing the slug. So why is it necessary to edit a permalink? The reason you may want to edit a permalink is to make it look better for branding and clarity and work better for SEO. A properly formatted permalink improves your user experience and boosts your ranking on Google. In addition, concise links have better click-through rates. However, it's important we warn you that it's better to edit the permalink of new posts or websites rather than that of old posts, because changing links of old posts can negatively affect website SEO and hence the progress of your business. The reason this happens is that all former links that lead to pages on your site will stop working, although there's a workaround for this situation which we discuss in a separate video on this channel. Let's now move on to editing permalinks. So there are two main ways to edit permalinks. You can edit the permalink of a single post or web page through its slug, or you choose a permalink structure that applies to all links on your website. Let's start with setting the universal structure for links on your website. There's a way to edit the permalink of all posts and pages to bear the title of the post without you having to manually edit it from the post or page. To do this, you need to visit the dashboard. So here we're on the dashboard. You go to the settings and click on permalinks. The page that appears will present you with a few options for editing your permalinks. So you can see the options we have here. We have plain, their name, month and name, numeric, post name, custom structure. The first option is usually the default for a new website, which is this plain. It is plain and will give the host an auto-generated ID that doesn't work well for most website types, for most business strategies. To change the permalink to a more readable version, pick the post name option, like I've done here. Then click on Save Changes below the options. You will receive a notification that says permalink structure updated. Now, when you check any of the posts, you will see that the permalink or URL has been changed. So this is the former link of the post. Now you see the link, the permalink is changed. It no longer has an ID after the domain name. It now has the title of the post because we selected post name. So now let's see how we can quickly edit the slug of a post, because we've already seen how we can choose a link structure for every post and page on the website. But before we do that, kindly hit the like button below this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable videos like this one. Alright, let's move on. So how do we edit permalinks of a particular post or a page on a website so that it doesn't affect other pages, and so that we can do it just for an SEO purpose that suits that particular post? Alright, so we'll do this by editing the slug. The slug of a post is the last section of the permalink, which is what we saw in this post. This section that exists after the domain name. It may contain an ID like we saw in the former link, or the name of the post, like we can see here now. So to edit it, we go over again to the post editor. So posts, all posts, and here we are, the post editor. In the post editor, you will find an option to do a quick edit for each post. Clicking that option will present you with an input field where you can edit the slug of the post. You can find the slug here now. So let's edit this slug to effective communication. Then you click update or save. It may be saved in your own case. You can now go and check the post to see if the changes we made have been effected. So you see, we now have a modified permalink. The permalink now contains the domain name and the new slug that we just edited. So we have learned how to edit your websites or post permalink to suit your business needs. You've also seen the benefits of properly formatted links. Now go ahead and practice what you just learned, and feel free to share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Cheers.